the MSME, there are about 6.3 crore MSME which have not only proved boosting the Indian economy, they have proved in boosting they contribute one third about the Indian economy. Good morning, gentlemen. Today the topic of my lecture is MSME. So MSME means micro, small and medium enterprises. MSME has played a vital role in boosting the Indian economy. As the MSME, there are about 6.3 crore MSME which have not only proved boosting the Indian economy, they have proved in boosting they contribute one third about the Indian economy, and it's the second sector which is after the agriculture sector in India, which is the most contributing to the GDP. There are about 120 million jobs which are provided by the MSME to our countries. So now I will tell you about what are the definition and what are the criteria under which we put the MSME in micro, small and medium enterprises. So this can be judged upon the turnover which were made by these companies. So the companies which make the turnover of around rupees 5 crore, these are known as micro enterprises. The companies which contribute a turnover from 5 crore to 75 crore, these are known as small enterprises. And those which contribute from 75 crore to 250 crore, these are known as medium enterprises. Now I will tell you what are the advantages of these MSME. So in the recent COVID period, we have seen that the PM has laid most of emphasis in the Atmanirbhar Bharat through the MSME, which means the first importance is that MSME provide a lot of employment in our country. And the second one is that it is contributing to the GDP of our country, as we have seen that it is contributing near about one third of the GDP of India. So gentlemen, as responsibility, challenges also come. So there are challenges in the way of MSME. The first one is as technological disruption. As artificial intelligence comes in the way, so this is proving to be one of the challenges in the MSME. And the second one is that about 86% of the MSME are unregistered in our country, and from 6.3 MSME there are only 1.1 crore MSME which are giving the goods and services tax. So what should be the way forward toward it? The first one is that good labor law should be made, because if good labor law should be made, so more and more people should be attracted toward the MSME. And the second one is that regulations in the market. If the rules and regulations will come in the market, so definitely the MSME will go and increase. So at last, I want to conclude my lecture topic by saying that in the recent corona period, the MSME has proved a vital source of employment and the increase in the GDP. So I think we should look a way forward toward it and make it as a part of the development of our nation. Thank you.